Welcome back. Another day, another challenge on the BMW Z1. Today it's about the door button, or door buttons rather. I've had a niggling problem for quite some time and I want to get it fixed. So let's get on with it. Golden rule, whenever you're working on the doors, always disable power by pulling the fuses 25 and 26. But listen to what happens when I listen and look at what happens when I press the door button. Not quite the same issue on the driver's side above. There's no stuttering and strange secondary noise, but it is sticking as it's not quite returning to its home position. The only way to get it out, of course, is to just use the key to pull it out those final few millimeters. Full disclosure, I'm not a mechanic or an expert on these doors, but if you are experiencing the occasional issue, sticking door buttons may be a contributing factor. So definitely worth doing. Referring to the online manual, how difficult can it be to remove the door lock, give it a good clean, and put it back in again? After years of use, it's clearly there'll be a build-up of dirt and dust. Maybe it's straightforward. First problem, you've got to remove the rear side panel in order to get to the door lock and the nuts behind it. That's a problem, and I'll show you why. Z1s don't rust, but they do crack. Look closely above, you can see that crease, which is the bottom of the rear panel close to the rear arch. To remove the rear quarter, you've got to bend the panel outwards and slide it past a bit of the chassis, if you like. And the last time I attempted this, it actually cracked, and I've never touched it since. So I'm very reluctant to do so now, as plastic panels cracking are a nightmare for us, as you very well know. So what's the solution? Can the door lock be removed without removing the rear panel? Are the instructions a little too elaborate? In this case, no. To remove the door lock, the screws that secure it to the chassis is actually behind the panel. So that's not an option. The actual doors work quite well, as do the buttons. So I'm going to attempt to make it a bit better without breaking anything else. So less talking, let's get on with it. Hopefully you'll be able to see. I've tried to slow down the clip so you can see what's going on. But when you press the button, there's no more of that stuttering. It's coming all the way out to back to the home position, flush with the rubber surround. And it's a lot smoother as well, I would say. All in all, yeah, it's a win. Over to the driver's side.
Oh, not going to believe what I've just done. I've dropped the T30 nut inside down into the door mechanism. Oh, Jesus. Sorry, Jesus. How on earth am I going to get that out? Well, I can't see it. Oh, more drama. God. That is not coming out anytime soon.